It was quite a sight to watch the kids all over Anushka, and the questions they asked left Anushka for a loss of words. It's a good thing that I managed to get the book before the kids beat me to it. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Anna who wanted a dog but got a fish instead. This is a story of her adventures with her best friend Zain.
Even Zain, I call them dumb sometimes because they don't wag their tail, bark or do anything interesting, but no one else is allowed to call them dumb. They are not dumb. Okay, they're not dumb.
Easy to think that this is a play, but it's actually Anushka Ravishankar's book launch event. With a mob like this, you know why Anushka is a much-loved children's writer. With books like 1, 2, 3, Elephants Never Forget, Tiger on a Tree, To Market, kids of all ages love the writer's imaginative world.
Is it? Why is she crying? We can't find Aristotle. I want to stop. The dragon is gone. Don't be silly,
Anushka's latest offering, At Least a Fish, had bookstore landmark in city centre overflowing with the little boys and girls who wanted to meet the writer. Anushka's style is simple, and she uses a lot of humor in painting her characters, making them amusing and fantastical. Publishers Scholastic say Indian writers like Anushka are the latest rage.
The dragon has laid eggs.
Kids really love her books because often children in India are expect to be taught something in the books that they read. And the fact that they can read something which doesn't try to teach them anything, which is reading just for the sake of pleasure, is something that kids initially react to with a slight degree of surprise and then kind of relax into enjoyment. It's great fun seeing kids read her books.
Only the book was not enough. The Tiny Tots wanted the author's signature in it. It's a field day for school children because Landmark just hosted Anushka Ravishankar, that's the author, of her latest book called
At Least a Fish.
And these are the two little kids who enacted parts of the book, and I'm going to ask you, how was it rehearsing those lines?
It was awesome. I loved it. So beautiful. I love it. It was so much fun. You can ask her if you want.
Okay, so what was the best part about this book?
The best part was acting it. It was really nice reading it and all that. And I love shouting. Tarun, my classmate. So I loved shouting at him, loved screaming at him. Like, it was awesome.
Okay, so it's a big fan gathering here, not only for Anushka Ravishankar's book, but even for these little actors. So I've got your friend here, right? What's your name?
Aishani.
And have you read Anushka Ravishankar's previous books?
No.
You haven't, but did you like what happened today?
Yes, I liked it.
And which part did you like the most?
I liked the first chapter.
The first chapter.
Yes.
So are you going to be picking up the book?
Yes.
Okay, the kids have said it unanimously. They are going to be picking up the books. I'm running down with rivulets of sweat down my face because this has been one of the most exciting book launches I've been to personally. I'm going to go talk to the author, but in the meantime, I guess what we've got to do is go pick up the book. I wasn't going to be left behind. I want an autograph too. Excuse me, Miss Anushka. Could I have an autograph, please? Thank you. And with my autograph done, it's time to ask you, Anushka, the most famous question, which I think a lot of people are asking you, is how did you get into writing?
How did I get into writing? It's partly, one of the main reasons is that when my daughter was small and I couldn't find books that, that I would have liked her to read, Indian books. So then I thought there was a big dearth of books. It's not so any longer, but at the time that she was about 6 and 7 and was reading a lot, I just couldn't find books in the market which had Indian content and Indian characters. So then it got me thinking about, maybe, and I always like to write. So it got me thinking about maybe I should start writing for children. So that's where the thought came up, yeah. But I didn't immediately sit down and write books for her, which is what most people assume. But yeah, that did spark off the thought that I should be writing for children.
Watch with the response Anushka has got for this book. We won't be surprised if her next one too will garner similar enthusiasm. Well, time for me to say goodbye on Shift Focus. Hope you enjoyed the show. So do send in your comments and reviews to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Also, we have a special lineup of Shift Focus nights this week, so keep yourself posted on the updates on Facebook, and I'll see you at 10 Downing Street on Friday. Goodbye, everyone.